Today we're going to talk about the most profound person who claims that he can flip any amount into anything on YouTube and sells almost everything that you can think about. Yes, we're talking about Mr. PFX, the account flipper. So if you think DJ Coach was bad,
You must work hard. You must hustle hard.
I bring to you this guy. Now, let's get straight into the video, guys. Before we continue, I want to say thank you to our lovely sponsor, that is Equity Edge. Now, Equity Edge is a platform who is very affordable. They've paid out over 6 million in USD over the entire year. They're also one of the few prop firms who's got their own MT5 brokerage license. Now, they offer various account types that you can choose from: one step, two step, one step Swift, two-step Swift, and they also offer instant funded accounts. The account starts at $2,500 and they go to 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, even 100K. So if you are looking for a prop firm, I will leave a link in the description box below, guys. Go check out Equity Edge. I will be giving away $2,500 in a prop funded account, two of them in this video. Remember, I will be giving away these accounts every day until the end of October. All you have to do is make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you leave a comment related to the video in the comment section below. Now, Mr. PFX is well known to the Nigeria side of things. He's a little bit maybe new to the audience on this side, but he is a YouTuber who claims that he has flipped all of these accounts. There is no tomorrow. If you scroll through his YouTube, you'll see almost every video that he makes a reference to how he flipped a small account into a big account. If you check his YouTube bio, you'll realize not only did he copy Mr. Beast, but he also says that he trades on YouTube 72 hours straight. He says that he has taken 100 to 50,000 in 24 hours. He says that he has given 15 Forex traders $10,000 each to trade. He said he took $25 to 10,000 in 5 days. He also said that he recovered a $5,000 that got dropped down to $100. Then he took it back to $5,000. He said he passed the prop firm account within 2 hours. He says he has given out 50 robots and indicators for free. He said he took $1 to 10,000 and he recovered $70,000 back only from $2,000. And the main question you always ask yourself is, so what are you doing on YouTube? Now, before we go through people who has actually called him out to be a scammer, we're going to take a look at his website and everything that he sells on there. Now, this guy will sell you anything. Now, his favorite thing to sell is the market marathon. Now, the market marathon is basically where you pay him. So in this case over here, he says that I will be dropping a total of 150 massive trading signals, which is an average of 5 trading signals every single day for 30 days. Firstly, that's pretty over trading if you are people like myself, right? 150 signals for the month is crazy. The signals will be synthetic indices, Forex, commodities, and indices. It says that all trades will be well outlined with take profit and stop losses. You will also see the chart representation of why we're going to take these trades, and that is going to cost you a total of, as we can see over here, the price is going to cost you 5,400 Rand, right? 1 month worth of signals. And this comes from a guy who claims he has taken $1 to $10,000. And you always ask yourself the question, so if you're taking a dollar up to $10,000, you've said that you've done all of these good things. Why don't you just continue to help the people for free? And he says here that the payment will also place you automatically in the VIP group for 12 months. You will gain access to real-time live trading signals, and he basically sells signals, right? Now, he doesn't only sell signals, he sells mentorship signals, VIP bots, indicators, VIP resources. He sells everything that you can possibly think about. Now, I always say that the best way to measure the success of a team, of anybody, if you want to look at whether a team plays good or not, you always look at their coach. Like, I mean, if you look at a team like Barcelona, for instance, you look at the coach and you go like, okay, they've got a good coach, therefore they should be doing very good. Then you look at Man United maybe, and then you say, you know what, let's leave this conversation for another day. But these are the type of things that you need to look at, right? So we look at him and the kind of life he's portraying on social media and on the internet, stating he's flipping all of these accounts. It's all good and well, but let's look at what people are saying who's actually paying for this, right? This guy saying that he's a grade A scammer. He dealt with Mr. PFX at your own risk. He says that you need to deal with this guy at your own risk. He will take your money, give you the worst signals and mentorship, and then immediately block you the moment you start asking questions. The best thing to do is to learn trading by yourself. Now, giving people advice to say that they need to learn trading by themselves, I do believe it's nothing new within the Forex industry, because every time we make these videos, somebody will always drop a message to say that the best thing you can do is to actually learn trading by yourself. Next person, Mr. PFX has always been a scammer. I paid him 150, sorry, I paid him for the MM 150, which you guys know there is called the marathon signals, right? To prove to people it's a scam, I have proof of everything. You can't ask questions or anything, it will block you. I'm a very profitable trader and I have my own training system, which is far lower than MRP. But he's me to sub his expense and his signals, all its stop loss, but he will post in profits, right? Another one, the worst scam in the Forex industry. I paid $300 for the signals, blew 3 accounts. Even his live trading was worse. When everyone is losing, you will hear him say he closed in profit. How? Please don't fall for his scams. When you try to talk to him about his losses, he will block you. I strongly believe he's editing his YouTube videos to rip off people and their hard-earned money. Mr. PFX, not to be trusted and reliable. Mr. PFX is not trusted. Don't give him your money. He doesn't give value for money. He blocked me and removed me from his group because I've challenged him. Mr. PFX, if you've also been a victim of Mr. PFX, I encourage you to reach out so we can take action together with EFCC in Nigeria. Don't fall for his account flipping videos on YouTube. He's a fake. I strongly advise you stay away from Mr. PFX. My experience with him has been nothing sort of a scam. I registered for the Signal program on October the 19th and paid him 508,300 naira, expecting reliable signals and live account flips as he promised in his YouTube videos. In October 28th, he hosted a Zoom session that lasted only 45 minutes during his jump erratically between trading instruments, sending out signals that consistently hit stop loss. His claims of being in a profit were suspicious, especially since he had shifted from his usual MetaTrader platform to TradingView without explanation instead of account flips where he promised he focus on vague money. If you have been a victim, I encourage you to reach out. Unreliable signals. I had very disappointing experience with Mr. PFX's trading signals. The signals provided were often inaccurate, leading to multiple losing trades despite the claims of his success rate. I found the actual results far from it. On top of that, communication was extremely poor. Questions were ignored and there was little to no guidance or support. If it feels like Mr. PFX is more interested in taking your money and helping you succeed, I would strongly advise against relying on his services for your trading needs. Now, those were all most of the people who subscribe to his signals. They obviously paid for it as well. And this is why I always say that, guys, it's very important that when you go through his YouTube channel, right? You'll like even through YouTube, people that's exposing to be a scammer on YouTube also. But to be honest with you guys, when I watched this YouTube channel, I was I was watching these videos and I thought to myself, wow, this guy's actually good. And I realized, I'm actually falling in the trap of thinking the exact same thing when it's not supposed to be that thing. And that's when I realized that it just shows you how easily these people can convince people, because he almost convinced me that this was real. And that's why I decided to do some investigations myself on there also. So guys, let me just share my screen with you guys very quickly. And then we're going to select 2 more winners. Guys, I do give away, you know what? No, so far I've given away 6 accounts. Only 2 people collected the accounts. And the reason for that is people will watch a video today and then they're like, yeah, I'm not going to watch the video tomorrow. And then in that video, they get selected as a winner. And then It is what it is though, right? That is why I say make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you watch the content that is published throughout the week. For this video, I'm going to let me do this. I'm going to select this video, but this video, this video is still fairly new. But we're gonna select this video and we're gonna go YouTube, a random picker, and we're gonna say paste, and we're gonna say pick a winner, and we're gonna say paste. We're gonna do that. That's Mr. PFX for those of you that don't know. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna say no. We're gonna select the, here we go. Boom. Okay. We are going to select the winners. Okay. How a trade is meant to pay tax. You've won yourself $2,500 in the prop funder account, and then FX Trading Killer Nasdaq. You've also won yourself $2,500 in the prop funder account. All you can do, guys, is just drop me an email so I can have these accounts issued to you. And to answer the question, how traders do pay tax is you get with the profits that you make. It's considered an income, so you have to declare that when you do your tax returns also. Thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for years.